Hey guys, so trying to find some compatible blades for my Einhell Jigsaw. So I found this QVB. It's made in Germany. This is for teakwood. So this is the original blade, also QVB, that comes with Einhell. The problem is cutting teakwood like this. It cuts very slow compared with this type of blade. You can see how the difference is here. I'll show you right now. You see, this is for more precise cutting, but as you see, this also got a bit damage with this type of wood. So the problem with this is that I had the Bosch blades and didn't work here. This has a mechanism like this. You drag this, you see, should go all the way, then it locks. Also this, you spread it a bit and push it right here. So the Bosch one just jumped from here, didn't stay here, even if it was also T-blade. So I'll show you the models. This one is for wood. Also I got two blades for metal. This one is for metal. Very cheap, like this was around 2.5 euro. I think this one was 2. And I'll show you how it works. I'm not going to cut, these are already cut. Not going to test it on this. I will just show you how it moves. So you know the blade, the Einhell, this model has slow speed, faster speed, and this one, this exact speed. Even for me it's hard to manage with one hand. So press this button. So I say this is very powerful. Also this type of blade can cut things like branches and other type of teakwood. You can see here. So the problem with this is only you have, I only found this on Einhell, so I need to pay the transport. And I say if you are searching for compatible blades with this, go with this brand that Einhell recommends even. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give a like or subscribe to my channel.